Ooh, it's getting hot in here. My nighttime girl is gonna be mad. They gonna be mad. The happy sad was, are we doing another overload after this? Or are we gonna pop out later? Y'all saying now and they sending to sell this overload out. Kierny, please. Kierny, please. Y'all not now. What we gonna do later? I don't care. I ain't got nothing to do. I don't have nothing to do today. Where'd Nessa go? Please do it later. Okay, y'all want to run it back later? Now one, so that then they're gonna be like, Sammy, that's not fair. You let us vote. Night crew be set. That's why they be ready to pop it. They be ready to be on all night, baby. Night crew don't play. They said we won. They said we won. I'm screaming. You just come back like midday. It's already about to be 5 o'clock for me now. Oh. Okay.
No, because I'm not gonna be here. I'm be in and out. So she can text me if somebody's seeing.
Okay, y'all, we only got 7 cans of $4 market in a $7 area.
So you got 46 from me, right? You got 36 from me. Like I said, 36, 40.
A $4 market in a $7 area.
So you got 46 from me, right? You got 36 from me. Like I said, 36, 46 is what I got. 30 plus 16. Okay, so anybody sitting after that, she gonna text me.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you, everyone. See, y'all some honest people.
It's so nice outside.
Even though I've been scammed all up and down the block before. That's a drop.
Oh, I thought I did, my bad.
Okay.
You can put this in here. Yes, this is gonna be by the wall. Oh, I didn't drop still. Just
If y'all don't do nothing else today, go and touch a little bit of grass. You're going to feel so much better. Do tonight with the nighttime girlies. Okay. Okay. One degree here. 1 degree? Hold on, sorry. 1 degree? Ain't no way. Ain't no way it's 1 degree outside. There's no way. No grass in Y'all get on my nerves so bad. Ain't no grass in Michigan. I'm screaming. -4? Nate, I thought you was in Texas. It's beautiful outside here. It's a smooth 55. I'll take that. Oh, that's what it is back home. I was about to say, girl. Oh, that was so good. I love a good layered bomb. Baby, 55 is not cold when it's been 10 degrees and -2 degrees. And I will take 55 any day. I am satisfied with this 55. I am so happy. It's a lot of people doing V-Day Live, so I don't know. I might sit this one out. I think I'm gonna sit this one out. I'm really trying to prepare for my 365 live. Okay, y'all, the date has been set for the 365 live. I'm gonna redo the flyer. Pre-sends are going to be welcome. If you pre-send for the live, please put in the caption 365 and what you send it for. 365 and what you send it for. We are going to have a lot of big jugs because we're going to be doing a lot of powder. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to break it up into 3 cans, 1 can for every day that I've been a part of this community. Didn't you do like, me, Nessa, and Bree did a 3,000 can overload. This is what we do here. We're not new here, we grew here. Period. I need to go find that video because the way my back and my knees and shoulders was in that video, baby. The way my back, knees, shoulders, elbows, and everything else was in that video, that was disrespectful. Hey, Teresa. How are you? You know, after you live and you learn, I would do it again. Hey, Faith. What I learned is